Kohl Children's Museum presents Home Zone, learning experiences you can do at home.
Hi, I'm Corey, and today we're going to be making paper. There's lots of different ways you can make paper. This is the pour method that I'm going to use. To do this, you need a circular container, so a PVC pipe works the best for this. And I've got two of them, one in the bottom and one in the top. So I'm going to put this down, and you need a container too because you're going to have water. So put this down on the bottom, and then you'll need some type of support to hold the system up. And then some type of window screen that you can get from the hardware store. Or maybe your basement. And then we're going to put this right like here, okay? And you also need some sponges, some drying cloths, and what you can do is you take about a half a sheet or a quarter of a sheet of tissue paper, and you rip it up into little pieces. This is a great activity for young children and families too, to rip it up into little pieces, because the more you rip it up, the less work you have to do. So you rip it up, okay. Then you can take some marbles, and these are going to really put your project to work. So we're going to count off marbles. Can you help me count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we have 10 marbles in our container. Then we need about a quarter cup of water. So we're going to pour the water in. The water is going to mix with the colors. And then we're going to screw the lid on. Let's see here. Get this going. Okay. And then you're going to have a little mixture in here. It's going to look a little funny. Now what we're going to do is we're going to shake it up. We're going to mix it up, and we're going to sing Row, Row, Row Your Boat a number of different times. Like, row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merry, like the sparrow. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merry, like the sparrow. It's a workout, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. So you'll have your consistency. It'll look kind of like a smoothie inside. Then you'll know it's ready to go. You're going to open it up. Open up your container. Put it on the table. And then how many marbles did we put inside? Do you remember? 10. Yay! We put in 10. So now we're going to collect them out. 1. Ooh, how does it feel inside? Does it feel slippery or slimy? Ooh, it kind of feels nice. 3, 4, like you're going fishing for marbles. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, and if it gets all over you with this project too, it's nice because it's all water. It's just water. And so you just wipe it off your hands. Okay, next thing you do is you come over here to your 2 PVC pipes that you have, and you pour your liquid in fairly quickly, okay? Fairly quickly. Oh, what kind of sound do you hear? It sounds like it's raining. Oh my goodness. So we're going to let it sit for a few minutes till all the water comes around and the water's in the dish below. Then what we're going to do is carefully, carefully, carefully pick it up. And then you'll take your window screen and press it down. And this is when you start to take your sponge and sponge it off. Ooh, and I can hear the water. And look how much water I get. Where did that come from? Ooh, all these bubbles too. Sponge it down. You want to get, this is when you want to get the most water off to have your paper dry quickly. Okay, almost done. A few more steps. So we're going to pick the window screen up, put it down there, and then we're going to take a sheet of paper, maybe some cardstock paper if you have it in, and we're going to do the same thing. Press, press, press. Press, press, press. Press, press, press. Ooh, we still got some water off. Okay, friends. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take your piece and flip it over very carefully. Okay? And then we're going to have to press it off again, too. So we need to sponge it off again. And we'll see if we have any water in here. Ooh, there's still some water in there. Okay. Now we can flip the screen off very carefully, and it should stay to the bottom. And there we have our piece of paper we made. And you let it dry for about 24 hours, and it will look like this. Thank you for being with us today. Bye-bye.